Binamona, binamona, tungosa.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful today, and I am back with another skincare haul. As you guys know, I'm really into skincare, and today we're doing another haul from the Abnormal Beauty Company, also known as DCM or The Ordinary. You guys know I've done 2 hauls already in the past, and I did a video, an in-depth video talking about the brand, why I chose it, why I like it, and all the perks and stuff like that. I will link the video up here as well as down below so you can watch it and learn more and gain more in-depth information from that video, because I'm not going to repeat because it will make the video too long. Here I'm just showing you my 3rd haul, so I will show you the rest of the products that I didn't get from the last haul, and then we'll just go from there. So if you want to know more about this haul, please do stay tuned, as I'm about to introduce myself briefly in French, and the timestamp will be on screen, and I'll see you guys soon. Ok, donc voilà, salut à tous, j'espère que vous allez très bien, et aujourd'hui on se retrouve avec mon 3e haul, oui, chez The Abnormal Beauty Company. Voilà. Donc ça c'est mon 3e haul. J'avais fait une vidéo dernièrement, j'avais fait deux commandes en ligne. Ma première vidéo sur cette compagnie, c'est là. Il y aura le lien sous la barre d'infos. Dans la première vidéo, j'ai expliqué en détail toutes les informations que j'ai obtenues sur la compagnie. J'ai parlé de pourquoi est-ce que j'aime cette compagnie, pourquoi je recommande ces produits. Et voilà, donc si vous voulez obtenir plus d'informations sur cette compagnie, veuillez voir la première vidéo. Ça va bien vous guider pour gagner en temps. Je voulais juste vous montrer le reste des produits que j'ai commandés pour mon soin visage. Donc il y avait quelques produits qui manquaient que je voulais vraiment essayer, et là j'ai eu à faire mon haul là, et puis je pense que ça va pour le moment, hein. Je pense qu'après ça on pourra faire une 2e vidéo sur ma routine visage dès que je suis très confortable. Les produits que j'ai payés la dernière fois, j'en ai vraiment utilisé et j'aime beaucoup. Il y a quelques que je n'ai pas utilisés et je vais vous expliquer pourquoi dans une prochaine vidéo, mais là j'aime beaucoup la majorité des produits que j'ai payés, donc je ne suis pas déçue, pas du tout. Le prix est abordable, la qualité est meilleure, et comme j'ai dit, on va seulement montrer les produits et les résultats que je désire avoir après avoir utilisé ces produits pendant un bon bout de temps. Donc voilà, si vous avez des questions, comme toujours, n'hésitez pas de faire les commentaires sous la barre d'infos. Et voilà, donc comme toujours, on se voit à la prochaine. Et merci de vous abonner, partager, commenter, et revenez voir les vidéos récentes si vous êtes intéressés. N'oubliez pas surtout le bon Dieu. Mouah. Ciao, bye bye. Alright guys, I've already done an in-depth haul explaining everything that I know about the company and what I do know about the products and what I hope to obtain in the first video. So I advise you to please watch the part 1. It will help you better. And here we're just gonna see the haul of what I couldn't get last time because it was out of stock, and then we're gonna talk about what I hope to obtain from here, and then I hope to do a skincare video coming up once I use these products. The products from the last video, most of them I've used and I do love them a lot. Love I say. I think only 2 or 3 I didn't get to use yet, and I'll explain to you why and how we're gonna go forward with that. And per usual, you guys know I have normal to dry skin, so if you do have oily skin, you might want to interchange certain of the products. So without further ado, let's get right into this haul. First thing I have here is the Ordinary High-Adherence Silicone Primer. It's supposed to be a surface smoother, and it's supposed to also blur your pores. This is apparently supposed to be a dupe. I think it's the Smashbox primer. I do have that. That is the packaging right there. It's just how that looks like. That's the packaging for the bottle, and the color is actually white, as you see right there, and it blends pretty well like a moisturizer, and it's not runny. It's like the perfect consistency. Of course, it has no fragrance. I really actually like this product, and you get 30 mils, 1 fluid ounce, and I think it's just wonderful. I'll have all the prices listed, and they're like less than $10. Like all of these. Like, it's amazing for the quality that you get. I really like this primer. I have normal to dry skin, so I'm not sure how it would perform on oily skin, but it does smooth your surface pretty well. I followed my normal makeup routine when I use this, and my makeup lasts about the same amount of time, so it is long lasting. Your makeup does look very smooth and flawless, so I do like it. And apparently it's supposed to be like a dupe for the Photo Finish Foundation primer from Smashbox, but I don't really think so. This is different. Like, I don't believe that these are dupes. I think these are similar, but they're not dupes. This is more hydrating, I believe, in comparison to this one. If you're looking for something that's a little bit more hydrating, I would say go for this. And this one will not give you any hydration at all, so there you go. The Ordinary Serum Foundation, and that is it right there. That is the container. It looks just like the High Coverage Foundation. This is the High Coverage Foundation right here, and this is the Serum Foundation. They look the same. Listen, I love the High Coverage Foundation so much, especially in terms of the coverage, the application, everything. I loved it on my skin, and I have normal to dry skin. It was just flawless. Like, this is something that I will forever purchase. Like, it's just impeccable. So I was like, let me try the Serum Foundation, and it's the same thing. These two are just magical. For the price, I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless for the price. I mean, seriously, this is just phenomenal. You get 30 mils for both. They have a pump. You know, you just remember to just shake it, and be ready to use it, and they perform beautifully. Okay, just beautifully. Last time you guys saw, I got the marula oil last time, and I loved it. So I wanted to get the Moroccan Argan oil. It's just the same type of packaging. And again, they're all under $10. Now, this is the prices, and this is just how it looks like. And again, it comes with a dropper, and that's all. It's just like, sometimes there are days where I just wash my face and I don't want to put anything on. I just go in with an oil, like an organic pure oil, and it just feels really nice, very moisturizing, very glowy. I love it. And next, I got vitamin C, a vitamin C based product. You guys know I'm looking for brightening and clearing my hyperpigmentation and even toning, and I know that vitamin C is a great ingredient for that. My vitamin C serum from Derma E is pretty much done, so I was like, perfect timing. I saw that these had mixed reviews, so I mean, I'm definitely gonna try this out. This is the Magnesium Ascorbyl, if I said that right, Phosphate 10%, and this is supposed to be a brightening hydrator with stabilized vitamin C derivative. I like this one because I feel like it's a little less harsh, and like, it's more for beginners. They have different types, but I just feel like those were too intense for my skin and for my level of knowledge in skincare. I think I'm not ready for stuff like that. I just wanted something that's safe, even if I forget to wear sunscreen, which I shouldn't. Please do not use these products without sunscreen. I cannot stress that enough. I feel like this was safe for a beginner in terms of like vitamin C options. And again, it's all 30 mils, 1 fluid ounce, and I feel like I will be comfortable using this without feeling like my skin is gonna burn or being too concerned about what I'm mixing with it, because a lot of these products, you don't want to mix the wrong things going together. So because I'm learning, I'm like, let me just try this one. This is the one I'm currently using from Derma E. I don't know if you guys can see the bottom, but right here is about where it is, and I can't wait for it to finish so I can actually start this one, because I don't want to do, I mean, I can swap, but I can switch. Like, one week I use one, the other week I use the other one, but I like to test products by themselves at one time to really see how efficient they are. I think it's a better way to see how effective they are. When you're mixing too many things, you don't know what is doing what, or if you react, it will be harder for you to catch them. Whereas once this is done and I implement this, and if something happens, I will know it's this. But if I'm alternating, I wouldn't know. So I always suggest like adding one product at a time whenever you're doing a skincare addition or subtraction. And like I also mentioned, do not use more than 3 of the ordinary acids and stuff like that at once. So 3 at a time is the most. Don't try to go more than 3 in terms of these acids and stuff like that, these lactic acids and glycolic acid and all this AHAs, BHAs. Just try to minimize how much you mix together. Okay. Last but not least, y'all, the star of the show. The star of the show, guys. This is the Glycolic 7% toning solution with a pH of 3.6. You get 240 mils. You get 8 fluid ounces, baby. And for the price, guys, I can't. This is always out of stock. I told you guys, put yourself on the wait list and you will be notified and you gotta jump on it. Like when the products that go out of stock, it's not a joke. They go out of stock within the minute. Like I missed out on this like once already. Like they notified me, I didn't go right away and I missed it and I had to get it the second time around. And right when I got it, it was out of stock again. I would not mess with it, guys. This right here, I can't wait to try it out. People said it was so good for the price. It's very gentle, and you know, I'm really into anything that's gonna be brightening my skin and stuff like that. And this seems to be safe, and so it comes in a bottle like this. I like this cap because it's very safe for traveling. And then when you want to use it, it looks like you can just uncap this, okay? Which it doesn't even have a cover on it, which is weird. And then you can just put this one on to use it so that it doesn't drip everywhere. So I like both options, so it's really, really cool. I feel like this would last me like I would say 2 years, but I don't know. I don't anticipate that I will use this every day. I think that yes, they said to use this every day and to use it once a day. So I mean, I don't think I'll use it every day, but yeah, don't use it more than once a day. It's definitely strong, even though it's only 7%. It helps with anything that's irregular on your skin. So of course this is fragrance free. Definitely use a sunscreen because this is a direct acid, so it will burn. You will get darker sooner than you think. So if you don't follow the steps as they say, like use it as they say or wear sunscreen, just the moment you stop following those procedures, you actually get worse or darker. So you're better off not doing it if you're not gonna follow the steps. So I'm really looking for a great sunscreen for my face that's not gonna make me look ashy or ghost-like or gray. I have yet to find a great one. I'm still looking for it, but I try to use foundations that do have SPF for now so that I don't burn as much. But in the summer, I definitely have to figure it out so that I don't get burned. This is definitely gonna help with toning your skin, making it even. Any irregular things that you see on your beautiful face, it will make it much better, and it will definitely help with brightening your skin as well, and in hyperpigmentation, I believe. So I am so excited I got this. I definitely also will be testing the Pixie toner because I really want to see what the difference is. But yeah, so I finally got it and I'm so excited. It's a lot of product, and I always pray that I don't react to the products because that's the most important thing. But yeah, so that is it, guys. That is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know if you've tried anything since I've talked about it, The Ordinary, or if you have done it in the past before me. If you liked it, why and why not? I would love to see your comments down below. That helps with my engagement as well. Again, I will be coming up with a skincare routine, telling you what I'm using, what I kept, and what I'm implementing now and in the future until further notice. And again, I always say to follow the Korean skincare routine. You don't have to follow it step by step, but you can choose what you want if you will. But I do recommend that you do that if you want a long-term effect that's going to be effective and actually show results. So I definitely recommend the Korean skincare routine steps. I also have the link down below, and per usual, I'm also going to link all of these products down below, and I hope you guys can enjoy these products along with me at an affordable price. All quality product. You can get so many different products for less. You can't beat that. And of course, less is more with anything in life. So that's why I always say do your research, really understand what your skin type is, really understand what you need, so you can narrow down the exact things that will attack those inconveniences and with less effort, you know what I mean? So once you know what you want, it's easier to use less product and be more effective, especially if you're on the go, if you're a mom, if you're a student, if you're working in whatever field that demands a lot of your time, and you don't want to spend too much time with your skincare routine, which I think you should. That's the least you can do for yourself, especially if you wear makeup. You really want to take care of your skin. Yeah, so just do research always. Even when you see my videos, you really want to watch as many videos as you can to really understand what is going on, and then you go and make your informed purchase, not because you saw my video obviously, but because you actually need it and you're prepared financially, because we always want to make intentional purchases to be able to be stress-free and financially stable. So thank you so much for watching. Per usual, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to always praise God. Mwah. Thank you. Bye. Ciao.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.